Well, hi, everybody. I'm Dick Myers. I have the privilege of being the president of Kansas State University. And I want to welcome you to our K-State virtual open house. As you know, this has been a long-standing tradition here at Kansas State, a really fun several days as we show off the university and what the university has to offer to students, faculty, staff, prospective students, and parents and grandparents. It's just a really festive time around campus. Unfortunately, we had to cancel this last year, and this year we're going to do it virtually. So it's not perfect, but we think we have some really rich content for all of you to participate in our open house and to learn more about K-State and learn more about each other. We've got a variety of programming that if you can't see it when it's being done, a lot of it's going to be recorded, and you can go back and check it out when you have the time to do that. A few of the programs, and I can't list them all, but just a few that are, I think, really, really interesting. We're going to have a virtual petting zoo with Animal Science and Industry Department. We're going to have an out-of-parents reception for parents of K-State students out of state with parent and family programs. We're going to do a virtual tour of our residence halls and in our dining facilities from housing and dining services. There will be virtual campus tours led by K-State students. How about a mathematical Olympiad for young Wildcat fans? Fun family programming with the Union Programming Council. Laboratory tours and undergraduate research demonstrations with the Johnson Cancer Center's Research Center and others. Lots of things going on. Library Services is going to put on a live trivia program as well. And then live information sessions with the academic colleges. So as I said, it's a rich program. There's a lot to see, a lot to absorb, and hopefully you'll get to know K-State better, and we'll get to know you better as well. So welcome again to our virtual open house. Hopefully next year we can do this in person, and this campus will turn into the festive scene that we've seen so many times in the past. So thank you for your interest in Kansas State University, and have a wonderful virtual open house.